Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Google account data download and access, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google account homepage. Sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. On the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Once in the Google account settings, navigate to the Data and Personalization tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to find the section labeled Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data. Click on Download your data. You'll see a list of Google services with data you can download. By default, all services are selected. Deselect any services you do not wish to include. Scroll down and click on the Next Step button. On the next page, choose your preferred export options, such as file type, file size, and delivery method. Once you have made your selections, click on the Create Export button. Google will initiate the data export process. This may take some time depending on the amount of data. You will receive an email notification once your data export is complete. Open the email and click on the download link provided. You will be directed to a page where you can download your data files. Click on the download link to save the files to your device. Once downloaded, locate the file on your computer or device. Unzip the file to access the contents. Review the folders and files to find the specific data you need. For better organization, consider moving the files to a designated folder. Always keep your downloaded data secure and private. Regularly verify and update your backups to ensure access to your important information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.